Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. 8th biology microorganism lesson. See, today we are going to see the useful effects of microorganisms. See, it is the already I told you it is the four fields we are using the microorganism. Medicinal use, agriculture, third one industry, fourth one daily life. Today we are going to see the last one in daily life uses. Okay, shall we see the children? See, in daily life, making of bread. Daily life, making of bread. See here, making of bread, microbes are how the microbes are used. See, we are using daily life. Bread is the many of us are using the bread is their main breakfast because this bread having the nutrients as well as carbohydrate and then some vitamins also present. How the bread is having like this means see we can observe here see some of the small hair holes is there because of the fungi see some fungi is used some yeast is there fungi or algae no this algae is used to prepare this food items present what will happen they are using some what is that the flour okay some flours are there used in this flour they are using some yeast is a, one of the algo this yeast is used in this flour and they making the this like a batter after that they keep this they are using the flour as well along with the flour they are using the yeast after that, they keep this allow into 4 to 5 hours. After 4 5 hours, we can see this. It will be very soft and fluffy. How it will be fluffy means what will happen? They using yeast. Yeast is one of the microbes. This yeast using the aerobic respiration. The yeast producing the aerobic. They make the aerobic respiration. During this respiration, they producing the carbon dioxide so this carbon dioxide only make this rock soft and fluffy. That's why we can see the bread will be like yes, this like small like holes will be there. No, this is the reason is the yeast pro making the aerobic respiration. They get the aerobic respiration means they are observing oxygen for respiration and then they releasing the carbon dioxide. It is called aerobic respiration. No, this is making the aerobic respiration here. That's why the bread looking like very soft and fluffy. It has the some air bubbles are there. This is the reason. Okay, so yeast is used to prepare the bread preparation. That's why the bread will be very soft and fluffy, and then air bubbles are there. This same process is used in our daily tiffin. No, that idli, dosa we can observe those are also having some like small like hair bubbles no this is the same process here also some microbes go they leaving the they make the respiration aerobic respiration then finally they producing the carbon dioxide that's why the idli and those are also having like this bubbles okay see that's only they given here. Yeast is used to make bread and cake because they added to the draft. This draft after the 4 or 5 minutes, 5 hours later, this draft will be very soft and fluffy because this yeast producing the carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide make the draft soft and fluffy, isn't it? Then, the example is chlorella. This chlorella is the algae this algae contain lot of the vitamins and proteins. That's why this food, many of them using this bread as a breakfast. Isn't it? Next one is the preparation of curd and cheese. Okay. See, we know very well. Milk means it is milk having the lactic acid. Okay. Then Then what happened? This milk having the carbon lactic acid, we are adding some few drop of the curd into the milk means that curd having lactobacilli. Lactobacilli means that is one of the bacteria. If we added into the milk, this lacto one or two drop of lactobacillus started to continue to increasing their countings. Okay, they are reproduced into the milk. That's why the curd is very sours in taste, as well as it will be very thicker. Okay, we added some drop of the curd into the milk. The curd having some lactobacillus bacteria. This bacteria only making the milk converted into the curd, and it will become very thick and soft. It get the source taste also, because the reason is the lactobacillus bacteria increasing their counting in reproducing, they are reproducing into the milk. That's why the milk converted into curd. This is the another example uses for the microbes. Next one is the making the cheese and curd both are same. Cheese also may making like this process only. Lactic acid is there. This lactic acid only used to prepare the, it give the thickened structure to the milk. That's why we are getting the cheese. We can obtain the cheese from the milk. Okay. Next, last one is the you in human intestine. See, all in the beginning I told many microbes present inside our body as well as outside our body. Okay, outside our body means in our on our skin, our dandruff, everything are microbes. I told you, no, as well as our intestine. See, our intestine. See, here also some microbes are present. For example, small intestine, some type of microbes. First one is the Lactobacillus acidophilus. Acidophilus. This is one of the bacteria. This bacteria is present in small intestine. Next one is E. coli bacteria. This bacteria also present inside our intestine. Okay, these two bacteria make the human why they present in the what is the uses for this microbes means this lactobacillus acidophilus is there, no, this help to digest, it helps to digest our food, as well as it helps to fight against some other organisms. Okay, if any organisms enter into our body, into the intestine, this bacteria help to fight and kill the organism. This is the one is. Second one is the E. coli bacteria. I told you, no, this bacteria used to synthesis of vitamin K and B complex. It is used to synthesis of vitamin K and B complex. And some other bacteria are called acid loving bacteria. Some bacteria is also present, they are called acid loving bacteria. See, listen, in our stomach, see, this is called the stomach. The stomach is accentic cells are present in their stomach. It producing some HCl, hydrochloric acid. Okay, if the food is not there, this HCl increase. If the HCl in producing large amount means what will happen? We feel very what is the acidic problem will be happen there. Okay, so some bacteria have controlled this acidic problem. They stop to secreting this HCl. Okay, this is the one of the uses of microorganism. So listen, children. See, this topic is uses of microbes. And then four field we saw that one is the medicine field, second agriculture, industry, in daily life. Okay, yeah, each day we saw one uses. No, this final one is the in daily life use. We saw that how in our daily life microbes are used. First one is bread and curd, cheese, vinegar making, and then two human intestine, as well as we are using the toothpaste, no, that toothpaste also one of the fungi is there, that fungi only help give the gritty texture to the toothpaste. We are using toothpaste, no, they don't, this only give the gritty texture. Gritty means some silky feel we are feeling, no, while touching this toothpaste. That thing will happen because of the some fungi. So every day, whatever you are using in our daily life, even pickles and some other things is also the bacteria, some microbes are present in our daily life day. Okay. Thank you, children. Sri Gurubhyo Namaha.